Akoma Radio 97.1. Akoma Radio. Akoma Radio 97.1. Akoma Radio 97.1. Open your mind down. Akoma Radio. It's your radio.
The Lord is my shepherd, I lack nothing. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside quiet waters. He refreshes my soul. He guides me along the right path for his name's sake. Even though I walk through the darkest valley, I will fear no evil. For you are with me. Your rod and your staff that comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil. My cup overflows. Surely, your goodness and love will follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Anopemima, good morning. Ebisa se umpomo today. Yeah, that chedi ampo kwa mena se so de na chemi no mienu. Na adepa bi chi yesi ya. Na sambre abomoden ade ani a kire yenwuma hodro so. Ede yeti pimpim se ebeyi ya. Mi wogidie. Awoti asefo nyame ne sampa ni awaka no ebeye ho. Wadani dunsi osi kwa mfimfini bo aberefo ocheso nyame ochema ne sin obia so. Anopei sani ada me ne moye no. Yebebo mpaye ne de Ghana. Ashe radensa. Any enwuma nyina no. Yede be share radensa. Eza ne sen yerade entimi nyeni ni asasi so. Ni ono na safu Yehowa no. Ontimi nyeno eni asasi so. Anope ojumayeni. So ye taxi driver, trotro driver. Ana sempo. Wudi gan kitinkiti bi kwan bi ho ana woton ade ni awuye bia no. Erade ama won kwankwan amenne. Wabomodin ehu enne dey. It is war, and it's going to be war with your soul. Enti anope asofo akese aminimu nyina eni asofo nketwa anope michiao echi amu nyina mamu nyina akwa aba edeba ejuma ojumedie ne so ye frame na akwa me imperi ubeti me aframe the finest the men nyina aka chire ne me ye woman ne say Kami hona sambre yo fedi ken ye momodi ya mompa mfama Ghana baby edu no eye nibre sani ajariko afasio ye bo modi ade mpa bo se bodwiri no gu wo no sambre yi ahohia ohaw ene sani asambre ni emu abaye sesi ani gi nyame wa mana basani mu oduru no so a awenfo no ye beran kwa adansifo no ye besi dan ne kwa enkosi babia enti samre de asofo ene agidifo nyina menimu nyina monka me ho na ye mompai magana
Kuma radio yet babia
Mitima Nasami uwa Eno sumi umawo Akai Nyinemo Biye Udi Mitiasia Miti Nimawo I'll sing it again. Mitiasia Mitimawo Hey Nasemi Uswa
Kuma radio yet babia
abra na sambre Israel for no kwa ho yehia mu no waton safre erade na Moses so na Aaron so ebo modin de omo kodu bo hyasase ene so ono awurade a ohyira no ndome ono ano oya ahyase ne awiye nyankopon onim annani mu akina sem adetonfo adwumayefo taxi driver trotro driver ye mompai na samre ye momodin amfa eye Ghana nhye awurade nsa omomodin no makandifo nyansa osoro akwankyere na sambre sani omo toto yenwuma ene ye niemu akohye bia no omo fanto yemfa mo aye Baby edu na nye NDC na nye MPP asem, enye CPP na nye gum asem. Baby edu ne de eye Awurade, ene ye hia se oman. Eba ni say ya na individuals. Ankurankura ne bre, enyuma wuranom, adwumayefo, emma. Ani afoforo aka ho bebere na asambere
97.1
omobre. Enti sambere de bomodin na so wunuamu so benwa. Sa wo take mu na ya taxi driver patron kata wani. Na mo yemmo mpa yemfama Ghana sambere. Adwuma bi a woye bi asa store no nko na wo man kata wani no obi ambewura mu amfa bibi. Baby awo bi a wote enan. I believe in God, Jesus. I believe in Alpha and Omega, the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. Ni awakano ebeye ho. Ye mama di ambon pai ni amfa Ghana and share radensha. Me mama Mary of Mothers of Salvation Prayer Ministry. And pay me ma good morning ma. Na me mama di enchia brother die eno ane apostle in cancer. Na me mama di enchia papa Ebenezer Abo Fay. Samre mi chia papa. Na me mama di enchia suffer cancer. Na minchia Nathaniel Auntie asofofo nyina minim se samire mo bompa di aboa Ghana Reverend John Kwashi sofo kokuni ewo manfi prayer camp Apostle BB Brown Reverend Azigbo Ama ani agidifo asamire mu tie me Winning Bible Church Abra all Kosro say our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we are forgiving those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine in the kingdom, the power and the glory, forever and ever. Say a trina, yenim and go as the biarada. Minimisa or man said Ghana, ABC ye. Answer na December becon a way. Answer na yebe raff fufru nimono. Na a soft one penny me bo munin edi. Omon pie bo, any a giddy for ye GDNT. Na o mino asundre. O mino sambri, and ye may be a to ye, and my sambri and homia yetimia home. Eradinya ye boa for, Eradinya ye kama for. Ofedika mama momodin anda wa utie mi ase. Ye frame na na kwame pere obetimi aframe the finest. And meme nyina ka atwire ne me. But I say ni da so e wo home obia. Good morning.
Back
Akoma Radio. Akoma Radio 97.1.
Simiso, Bobby Bio, and you know they say, I don't like man who make me. Say, Bassa, who your engagement wedding, and answer me no can say, Jumedia Pia would be a here like band, I don't like man, a waterman, and crying, and a crop on a crapum. Say, somebody who to bedding, who ye engagement, Jumedia Piano, to say a chirakan will crop on a crapum, for it was 0242267538. Now, why, and you were to saying, yet 10 year Denqua, trying 0242267538. I don't like man and call ye keke.
Achawajo, Uncle Fuet, Miamo, Nimam, the best between no man catch me say.
Kratchy, Ada, we your home with a Capema. What the a Japaye construction and general merchant in Kana. A Bakari block 5 inches and another 6 inches. A Bassan block 5 inches and another 6 inches. Sana hollow block 5 inches and another 6 inches. Tie. So whoop a boar Edia Sidine. So whoop a Anya Edia Sidine. So whoop ensure Edia call side. Another binding wires. About building materials. What to mean a Japaye construction and general merchant won't that? A son is say, Omo and a more discount. Our Adiapia Ubetobia or Mashe. Cement to Kradia and Coho. Water cement new Anasa me and Sakura. Yadebaka free delivery. Ubetimia Fair at Japaye. I was 0244 719814 0244 719814. Eba iron rods. Abuo Wupe Anya. Our rhino mu. Anatipemu. Eba Curry. Now Wupe. Our track mu. Anasa tipemu. Nina Yaya supply in Ebi. Open stone. Our Kia mu. Nina Yadebebro. At Japaye. Our Joe Equapem. Wabendel filling station. Ubetimia from. I was 0244 719814 0244 719814. Kayo Sawo ya party engagement a year. Anasa Bibiara we be a live band. A Japaye sound or live band na. Omube who num amu feel it. A Japaye live band na. Ubatini de ye. Abushia Ubetimia Fre. I was 0244 719814. A Japaye ana.
Adansi 4 the contractor for Adam for
Akoma Radio. Yes, baby.
Kojak Oral Care at the Kojak Charcoal Toothpaste and then a charcoal toothbrush. A beja manso. A bow se who buy a free and more. A mine can a bowenum. A mouse ye ding. Now pie fita. And a Kojak Fluoride Toothpaste. Yet in a brush. A kawama free. A mawenum you. Now mouse see a chinam and so ye ding. Yes, so a Kojak F sensitive toothpaste. And then a mouth bather. A bow se who buy. So with ye Jania Anu. And I say Jania Eshe. Emma Osinya Uya. Near your friend no electric shock. Nasa Osinya Uya pan nasa Fimojan soa. Enye na udiane. Kojak P toothpaste. And in a mouth bath. Yeah, Kaisa where you see Kojak sensitive toothpaste. And a Kojak sensitive toothbrush no a boom. So pebiata. Ko supermarket and now drugstore bia e benwo. In Kratoi FDA Ajiatu.
Asempe bia ba. Upesika akostati ejuma bi. Uhia bosia atre udwadie mu. Uye government ana private worker unye sika de ate wo hot bi so. Uye busumi ejuma unye scan tempa bi so. Eni na quick credit be ma obosia mu atwa ne kakra. Eye collateral free loan na susu savings account opening deposit BRNim. De hia ne se uye Ghana ni na wo Ghana card. Se wanye ejuma afi we mu de kodia na wo na wo pe o excuse BRNim. For quick credit it was 0302 200 390 and 0596 920-833. Number for Biara Frewa and quick credit. Shannon so say quick credit and malone ewo internet so. Inti Shana Obiara and Dadao. Bank of Ghana am momu dedi ho kwan na kaise nhihye da ho.
Quick credit. Lending made simple. Akoma Radio 97.1. Okoma Radio 97.1. Okoma Radio. Okoma Radio 97.1.
Mididi Madam Joanna, Radio Amitiye Okoma 97.1.
Okoma Radio 97.1.
Assalamu alaikum Okoma Radio. Medina Sabiti Abdullahi, mon frère Yaro, Munti Okoma Radio da Edasi.
Okoma Radio 97.1.
Yeah, bringing the time is just about 40 more minutes per not 12 midday of Idremwa. Now we are well said Don Pablo Pop in collaboration with Okuma Radio. Eddie, thank you Okuma concert no air basso. We just ended Eminent Awards 2022. Nyamiye Adomamiko Winnie Radio Personality of the Year and Event MC of the Year. Adana Kwame Amponsedi. And Suwini Sports Presenter of the Year and a Promising Radio Presenter of the Year. And a Don Pablo Pop. Abomodin den Tomabon Tomano say, "Oka say thank you Okuman." Say Mabomodin so ya saying na mama ya kofa basobo kesi ya ba. Enti date ni on the 12th November 2022, sorry. Ewo eye kropone kwapem. Enti abushia. Kacho obi no bi so kacho obi se sambre. Eye Saturday ya memre day da ya nimu ya 7 p.m. sharp. Ewa Don Pablo Pop. Ewa Himbrum wa Mandela Junction so pe hone wo. Big stage pa ubon so ma bomodin abiode wo ho. Anyum to vobiti se duwaji Shankoma. DJ Keche. Efi Shaba Kwajo. Kima Bro. Ochefo Kwajo and many more. Itabushia Saturday wo baby quiet in tem. About 7 p.m. pepe. Woni Okuma staff nyina Ajumayefo nyina NFA the award winning presenters here so you better represent live ni abomodia aka say thank you Okuma, thank you Okapemai, thank you Ghana yeda mu nyina say Don Pablo Pop in collaboration with Okuma Radio and Eddie Jumedi bro. Thank you Okuma concert you know. It's being powered by Okuma Radio 97.1. DJs on rotation, DJ Vibes, DJ Tommy, and if a DJ Bullet. If the Kaisa war banner, so no. Shakes in between your all the shakes that you want to taste. If you were a yes, Ambre, Don Pablo Papo, and San Hoduina, so be better. Come, let's have fun. Let's say thank you to Okuman. Yes, Saturday we are. Don Pablo Pop in collaboration with Okuma Radio. Thank you Okuma concert. It's all about Yen Winnie Award, you know. Just ended Eminent Awards. Radio Personality of the Year, Event MC of the Year, Kwame Suwini Radio Sports Presenter of the Year, and a Promising Radio Presenter of the Year. If I try and chew home film, say what do Okuma doing? Edu Kwapemaya. Baby, I will be out with Yanka. What do you mean, Shemu? Near your man in your fair. Good morning. Regional Sultan Penny for Sano Pemi Chow, Akushia. When we were doing for Regional Sultan of Pemi, ma'am, good morning. Would you any chair Regional Hotel, Abushia? Top class facility, pa. Executive room, twin room, deluxe room, standard rooms, economy rooms. If a swimming pool are you open to the public, conference room, and a restaurant. Nina Chichia, our Regional Hotel. Eduko Mukapem. Ebushia from 050 33 37788 050 33 37788 and 0244 33 3373. What can Regional Hotel? I say home with nature. Now, Quick Credit and Investment Micro Credit Limited in Penny for sale. A fee 1 year Juma 1 were decided. About startup loans, emergency loans, salary loans, working capital loans, new existing business loan. But more the answer with the Quick Credit and Investment Micro Credit Limited for Ebedin South Swore. In here a Ghana card kekawo omu here collateral bia. Our friend was 030-2200-390 and 0596-920833. Quick Credit and Investment Micro Credit Limited. Are you trying to have your Quick Credit? Lending makes simple. Adam live band in Penny for Sound of Payment Chow. Na min kasem Debin Chow says somebody. Jumedi bia would be out here live band was no akonya ne da ho. Eda obefu pa. Enti ensem rekra. enko kasa ko hwe live band bi achiri kwan ebi wo tema ebi wo nkran ebi nso we kropone kwapem say your wedding ye dwumadie bi a wodi bia a wo hia live band wo ase no free Adom live band for I was 0242 267535 0242 267538 0242 267538 Acroponic Capem 0242 267538 Adom live band Owo Madia Tenyumne de ye Anope me sorry anope na me hu se me manu to nyumbe Daddy Kojak Papa B Kojak Papa B I'm say correct. You know what is good and it is what it is. I will see a Kojak Orake any Kojak Pro Code. I'm a Sambre and we can yira we say about Kojak Chaco 2 paste na any Chaco 2 brush na a 2 and papa we used to brush in a go we used to brush any 2 paste and the actual was oh massa don't some person at the whole white if you Kojak regular floral 2 paste into a hole and also if more free brushes so a share home any old Kojak F sensitive toothpaste and a Kojak F sensitive matte bath nina no e ma was no a pie white to papa every I Kojak P matte bath and also no a matte wash out of a row never with pie say when you tipaya na code be fluid be we here a original pro code ni bi kayo say Kojak Oracle any Kojak pro code no ebu ani peduana manage na pen e Kojak pharmacy for na bomodian de Kojak indro papa yi abadwama so local license chemical shop and our pharmacy be across the country I won sabeke bi Kojak indro papa yi abusuan semre papa bi na won so to Samre Mamincha wine in town. And I'll pay me my good morning, Obapa. Now I'm in chair, Jedu, him brom. Mommy's joint. We need one ogre. And it tell you, I need my fuck, and I'll pay me my good morning. Oh, yeah, man, what and soon I me a choba. Oh, yeah, man, and soon I me a choba. When it had ya, Mefria. And I'll pay me mom good morning. And soon I'm here. And I'll pay umpo mo Bibi aboko there. I have just about 30 minutes to prepare not 12 midday. Right about time. You're from me and I come in Perry. You wait to me from the finest and men in our catch ready me. Because it's Saturday we Bradon Pablo Papni and Jenny is an Yamia Adam. Yakofa Basuboyaba. Na unyamfo ye party kesi ya. Oh Charlie, Obia Mbrebi. Obia, tell that special friend. Say we know you free. Yenji sikebi you free. Nyom tofu ebeni Edu Weji Shankoma Keche Stage Ishaba Kwajo Kima Bro Ochefo Kwajo and many more. I wish ya Riding NG and Yuate Saturday there Ampaye Bidra 7 PM sharp. Ewo Ahimbrom Mandela Junction so pay Don Pablo Papo. We are to Fawajo ayo shakes a hodo no GB what you say Bibi a pesa ububia wenye bia bo ware aze Alright, Abushia. Mommy, Mama, the Amfa, and the Abacosem and Fama, oh baby, I will be a good morning.
Akuma Radio. It's your baby.
And that being exactly the 10th day in the month of November 2022. Abakosem kakre oho ese medema woni. Unim say aka just about 51 days pepe na 2022 abana we. Yes. If you are not aware, aka just about 21 days. Na November crab and we. Wari ase. You know, aka 50 days pepe. 50 days, 51 days, 51 days, na November, any December, you know, you check when I say 2022, no, you didn't on so abigu near 2023. Enti will be ya men say one record, yeah, the intent is say, as you know, and you care to know. Just 51 days left in the year 2022. And up Mami Chiao Commander Abdul Wone Eye Ataja Chief Inspector Lukman Sulemana Na Minchia Eye Rafi Na Minchia Chief Inspector Ata Any Inspector Edem Any police phone na Minchia man up Mam good morning. And to the hardworking DC Honorable Daniel Kenneth, aka DK. Arope, good morning. When you team in all right, media naba kwa 70 besi yani atuwa jumediene, so good morning.
Kuma bedi nkuli me if ya bujujuwe abaya baby ade bi so achuwe me mama mi chima se maye me dede Fie bosu jina bedru isubani na wo fedi ejayo odi ahweme ama me kai di ami furi nya shensheni na nisika kasi ama nka mi rima di baby fi se mi huna mi sene no mo asem to fishia eso cho mi mami usai oda padi eye nko nisika kasi ama me uso ina sanitino mi wa basu bobi di manu mi wa basu bobi di mami do isawa chedi e bikanu Krongusia kona dia, minyanse bia modano. Bewa basu bobi di mami do.
Ofidio mwani ye call Angela Koje Angel midday news, you know. Mami nchia Kobe wo aprede. Efia Nigeria ho, efia labi papa bi. Na be momodi enchia eye pepe. Odofo na umpo mo anope mi mamu good morning. Ewa aprede. Na me momodi enchia aprede fo nyina enche mo festival no beba so. Edu Chrome dia started 27. You know, present, so modern Sambre na anope. No mamu nyina good morning. Ya from me na Kwame Perry. Wait me from the finders the meme nyina catch ready me. Mami chia mi ame mama ohene wa anope good morning. Na minchia Mama Mary. Ambassadors of Fire Salvation Prayer Ministry. Dachi anope good morning. When it's somebody major. Be sure Sakura Hoye and up every mom. Good morning. Brother. Ewa Latte Junction, Sam Radio, Prophet in Cancer, and up good morning. Yes, I have just about 9 more minutes to say bye-bye to you, but right about time, you know. A taxi driver, trotro driver, Ojumayenia Wuti, Mewonyen from Musokra. This has been the best radio station in the heart of the capital. A higher command 97.1. Yeti Yehe, any Kasama Ukwapaman. Indianope, Ejie Mo Dimpa, Enkoma Jed Don Pablo Pap, one a Mama Pablo, any Jaga. Nyampa weekend way there, Ampa ye bigger. Yeah, baggy gra. It tell that special friend and tell that friend Sampa. Maybe a party in cost weekend. We will call baby another when you coach Hawaii from us. Maybe a Ghana phone in a deal when each weekend way Don Pablo Pap, Wahim Broom, Mandela Junction, SOP. And yeah, they thank you or come on concert in April. And Don Pablo Pap near the kind that was say papa, so I drain your home. Say you must want your bombardier, I koja boss war a buyer, no. Obamadier parties room queen. It is already a two-sided phobia. Obi Biara so what doors, baby. I will be out and Kabia, man fit, baby. 7 p.m. I am to Vobebre, Eduweji, Shanko, Markeche, Stage, Shaba Kojo, Mabro, Ochefo Kojo, and many more. Abuja, bra. Na 7 p.m. Pepe, Saturday, Ampaye Bija. Once again, Medawa utie mi bia sibedu samre. Mi besiesie kwamu, ni abomodi akọ Angel. Akoje Angel midday news no. Kobe. Oba Manchester today. And to Pepe Pragia twice. Good morning. Okay, I live in a safe answer for Bambi. I say a very wonderful good morning, Pa and Koma. Whoever who's doing the lesson, what would you be able to do, Sam Ribia? You are too special. One Kajumedi and Yede. Midwesi. And remember what Messamba. Na Minua be 1 p.m. Pepe no Koma Global Sports. Abomadi take you over your radio. But Sam Radio squad in Nyaba. Yes, here yinkophobia if you moment papa.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Bambi, my dear, my dear, I want you here.